Welcome back, guys. Good to follow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a CHoCH, change of character. Let's dive in. Guys, on YouTube, you can find millions just videos about a change of the character. I try to show you just in a simple example on forwards and frame on soul, how to identify some key moments. First of all, the short term, it's a CHoCH, change of character. Second one, it appears at a potential trend reversal, not continuation. So it's a big difference. The break of structure, it's continuation, and the change of the character, it's transition. So we change just the character or some dynamic on the market structure. So market structure, it's just a basic. For example, if it's a downtrend, it's a lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. If it's a uptrend structure, highly recommend you go and check the video about a market structure. It's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's like steps. First sign of smart money interest in shifting market direction. So, it's like first time when we see some tiny signals. So on specific time frame, the smart money, the guys, so the whales, the big players, the market makers, maybe change the soft and want to try to push the price in different direction than it was previously. Of course, guys, you have to understand the change of the character, the break of structure, all of this smart money things. It's not a magic. It's not a solution. It's not a K or a magic pill, or the money bottom. For example, a lot of people shield you the information on YouTube. It's a magic solution for all your trades, 100% win rate or 99% win rate. So when you see the break of structure, it's a 100% confirmation we go higher. No, it's not, because any news can affect the market. Any tweet of the Donald Trump, we have to work in a context. What's going on around in the world, right? So all the time, even if you see the 100% confirmed break of structure with the candles above, like we hold the line, right? A candle close. By rules from the playbook, everything correct. And we have to go in up, for example. It's not a solution. It's not some guarantee. We can't do something like this. So this is a boss and crash like this one because some news appear in the market. That's why, guys, all the time, no matter it's a change of the character or the boss, work with this proper money management and the stop loss. It's 100% all the time, guys. Plus, it can be, for example, break of structure on the 4-hour time frame, but it doesn't mean it's a break of structure on daily time frame. So try to synchronize the time frames. So this is just a basic information what you have to know. Both it's continuation of the trend, change. CHoCH, it's a transition. Next one, what you have to know, it's how to identify. It must have clear market structure before, like I told you, it can be high, 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 low, 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 lower, high. First sign, it's a market fails to make a new high, high or lower, low, then the price breaks the last high, low or low, high. This is a CHoCH. Confirm with the volume, liquidity sweep or liquidity grab. For example, what we can see, and it can be the, by the way, with the favorable gap around or I don't know, or the blocks. Got it. So take a look. This is example. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. After that, this one, it will be like a K point of the local structure. This, for example, the 12-hour time frame main boss break of structure. So to talk about a global uptrend move, reversal, we have to break with the confirmation this high. But inside this one, we got this K level because this is the last one which gives us the impulse where we formed the last lower low. So what do we get now? We bounce it, going higher. And like you can see, this is a lower low. This is a K level. We stop it here at some price, drop it back to it could be the, 12-hour time frame or daily time frame gap. We drop full fill of fair value gap. And this one, it's now not a lower low, it's a higher low because this low bounce correction. This low, it's higher than this one. So we just change the character locally. Is it possible to see the drop down like this one? So we change the character, just to change the character, but it's not a magic, and we can see even this move and form another lower low. Yes, it's possible. That's why if you open position, you can open position at the full fill of the favorable gap, at an order block, or at the task of the favorable gap. The stop loss up to you. For example, 1%, 2%, right? With the target, where to fix? First target is here, the breakoff structure, and you can leave some percentage to the main one on the high time frames. But of course, I highly recommend you fix profit here and re-enter again, because we can see this move and drop, and you get just a stop loss. So profit is always profit, guys. So you can see this was the last candle, formed the some K level, drop, formed the higher low, because this was a lower low, this is a higher low. This we close the fulfill favorable gap on a 4-hour time frame, form the order block, and go higher. This candle, this one, this is a break off structure, because we break the structure of previous lower high, lower low. So we break the structure. It was a change of the character, and this is a break of structure. After that, what we form next? Globally, we're still in the downtrend. Break the structure inside. So this is like the multi-structure. After that, we get another break of structure. Boss. What we form? We just sweep liquidity. This line, this candle, top of this candle, it's a change of the character. Why? Again, we drop it lower, but still higher low. Consolidation. In the flats, it's not make sense to find the change of the characters only on a smaller time frame. If you scalper, not even intraday trades. And this is a break of structure candle. After that, the same story. For example, around here, this is a CHoCH, drop, still low, higher lows, and go higher. Sweep this high, break of structure. This is a visualization on 4-hour time frame. You need to wait for the change of the character before the entry. Of course, it's just in the perfect world, right? And it's hard to identify, because sometimes we can identify it on a 1-hour time frame, but on 12 time frame, we're still in the downtrend. We have to work, in a complex. It's just by box, by some rules. But rules, it's not 100% guarantee. I totally understand. It's so good to shield you some entertainment content, like use this trading secret sauce strategy and you'll be profitable. No, guys, you have to work in complex. You have to work with the money management, the risk management, the news, track the updates, track the posts of the guy who control the market, who affect the market, like Donald Trump, for example. Everything affect the candles. And of course, after the fact, the traders find the reason and many reasons, read the charts and find the reason why we dump it, why this break of structure is not confirmed. So that's a fact. This is reality of the trading, right? Somebody trade without even all of this smart money concept. Somebody trade just by Elliott waves and still profitable. And if it works, you don't need to know what is CHoCH, what is OB, what is favorable gap, what is CHoCH, right? So in the perfect world, we need to wait the change of the character, find some retracement at the favorable gap. Next one, we have to open position with a stop loss below the change of the character zone. So it can be like 1%, 2% up to your own risk, your leverage, but if you open it, for example, trade here at a full fill, a stop loss under the last low, it's not a good one because it's 8%. Even with the second leverage, it's 16, right? That's why you need to work just with a proper money management. For example, with a double X leverage, it can be like 10% stop loss. It's more than okay. If you want to reduce the stop loss, you need to just use the less amount of money, or just another reason where to put your stop loss. For example, this could be the, the FIB also here. This is the impulse, bam. We almost stop at the equilibrium. So you could add a stop loss around here. So that's the point, guys. Everything should be in the complex, right? And the next target is a boss or some liquidity pool, and risk ratio, of course, is 3 or 1. So the target is this one, where we need to fix some profit, and move higher. Of course, in the perfect world, you have to open position here and move to the moon, right? Like this one. But guys, it's so rarely happen, because in most cases we can see even this move by some news or so. That's why profit is a profit. So like conclusion, guys, this is example of CHoCH downtrend, form the last low or high, pump, find some resistance or support, drop it back, and when we form the higher low or lower low, for example, or a lower high, it's a change of the character. So something changed in the trend, and soon probably the market makers will put the price in different direction, in another direction. So just be ready and wait the break of structure. The entry can be on the CHoCH, right, with the stop loss, or on the break of structure. But anyway, guys, take a look. We break the structure and you can open position aggressively, exactly on the break of structure, this one. But a stop loss, take a look at the stop loss, 3%, it's kind of big one. But of course here, you could get a to break this high with the CHoCH is 6% profit. With the second leverage, it's still like 12. So this is a way, guys. So this is just example. And one more time, the break of structure, it's a continuation of the trend. The change of the character is just a transition, preparation before the trends shifted. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, write in the comment what the next video you would like to see about what time. Don't forget Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.